Today, some new gear, we'll get the quads out for a rip, do a giveaway, maybe some more right now. What is up, guys? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick trip down to the lab. I got a couple of things. Check this out. Went to the local TSC store and I got myself some of these moving blankets. And this is going to cut down on the echo in here a little bit, and our budget price, $14.98 I believe. From the store, they were $30 on Amazon. Got two of them. I can string these up anytime I'm recording in here, and that should just work sweet. I also got my new camera mount done. This is for the Project Blue Falcon project quadcopter you've seen me building on the channel. Turned out awesome in this iridescent blue. I simply love it. We just got to do a little post-processing on this, get rid of some of the stringies, and we should be in good shape. I actually got a new lens coming for this camera, so it's going to, I finally decided to splurge and get a good lens. So that'll come in a moment. Boom! There we go. New lens here. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so here's the kit lens, zoomed all the way out to 18 millimeters. I can get a few things in the shot. If I kind of, there. That's a little better. So we can get a little bit of the background here, a little bit of me, but let's try the new one. Okay, this is the new lens. Nice quick fast focus, same field of view as we had before because we're at the same focal distance, we're at 18 millimeter. But now, all the way up to 10 millimeter, I can get everything in the shot. So we can do a really nice job if we go in just a little bit to get away. There's a little bit of aberration, a little bit of vignetting in the corners at 10 mil, but I can do wide angle for landscapes. I can bring this in and still get everything in the shot and a much more composed shot and really good glass. This is the EFS 10-18. I'll link it down below, but I think this is going to be nice to bring you guys some more content. I should mention that this lens is a little bit of a favorite with vloggers because of the wide angle nature of it. And you can hold the camera up pretty close and get an awesome field of view. And we can even go a little bit wider yet. So pretty cool. I think this will work. It is an awesome day outside. So what I'm thinking, let's go sneak out and get a couple of flights in. Let's go see if we can get this Phantom off the ground. I haven't even done that this year. Well, I know I'm never going to be a pilot quite like Steele Davis or any of the other guys, but I'm getting better and I have a blast every time I go out. Did you notice the hydro wires in there? As I took the Phantom down the river, or up the river, I forgot that those wires were there completely. And the phone I was using, I've been using this Android phone forever for the DJI Go app, but they've updated the app and made it so resource hog that it was just stuttering like crazy. And I couldn't see anything hardly the entire flight. It was like stop motion. So I nearly lost the Phantom, but I had a lot of fun with the 210. Actually, that was the X215 Pro. So yeah, it's good to get out. A package came in. This just arrived from Amazon. I say we put this together. This is a new piece of the workshop puzzle, and a really neat use for some equipment that I bet you never thought of before. And we should do the giveaway too. You guys are familiar with these. These are the awesome component tester that you can use to test resistors, capacitors, diodes, transistors, you name it. It just works awesome. I'm gonna give this away. One of you, all you have to do is like this video. You have to be a subscriber and go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you would use it for or what you would test things with. What are you going to test with it? What kind of projects you're building? Let me know anything. All you got to do is just comment down below. My Patreon supporters, I've got something coming special for you as well. You're not going to need to enter. You'll be entered automatically. But I won't post that here because I don't want people to think that I'm trolling for Patreon supporters. All right. This is ultra cheap find on Amazon, I thought. Very reasonably priced, I think. Like this. I got two things. So, first up, inserts so I can hang my blankets. Very neat. I have never used one of these, but I guess I'll figure it out. That I bet you would never expect to see in a studio or in a lab. But I think it's going to be just what I need. A whole bunch of tubes. Let's put it together. Check it out. I got a clothes rack. Totally silly, right? With those sound deadening mats that I got. Now, we have an instant sound deadening backdrop that I can just roll around, and I can clamp the blanket on there, and it's already deadening the sound a little bit. 35 bucks for that hanger, and now I can just roll it into the corner when I'm not in use, and it'll just work great. Guys, click a thumbs up on this video if you liked it. Stay tuned for more DIY and studio stuff and more electronics coming up in the next videos.